Today we are here again supporting our local businesses, Porsche of Riverside this time, always showing support to the community. So let's go and check the amazing inventory they have. That is a speedster, amazing car, but very important when you come over here.
Francisco Maya.
Yes.
Hi, Euros. How's it going, buddy?
Yes.
Good to see you, man. Good to see you.
He is the one you gotta contact. He is the one that is gonna give you a great deal on a Porsche.
Thank you,
yes.
guys.
So yes, I'm pretty sure everybody that comes over here always gets a beautiful deal, right?
Absolutely.
Because of your help, right?
Absolutely. Yeah.
Yes.
Well, and that and everybody you guys send to us as well. We take care of them. You guys are part of the family, so.
Yes.
You know,
So that's what you have to
that,
do.
Have that experience, that phenomenal Porsche experience. You know, that's what it's all about.
That's all about, you know. So be sure if you come over here or if you call to Porsche, make sure to ask for Sherman. He is always gonna give you a great deal. So let's go and continue with this walk through the dealers. Thank you.
Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Good seeing you, sirs. All right.
You got this is a Cayenne. It's a nice one. Oh no, it's a Macan actually. That's a Macan. So Porsche of Riverside is so amazing, and I have an elevator here because if you are part of the Porsche family, they're gonna treat you well, and they do this. That way, you are satisfied with your purchase. You think it's no good than expected. All right, second floor we go. This is a beautiful elevator, stainless steel. Check it out. Over here, second floor, they have the most amazing inventory. They have another speedster over here, a black one. This one has the 918 Spider seats, which are very impressive. And this one actually, the one downstairs is $302,000, and this one is $301,000, which means it's cheaper. Not that much, but it's way cheaper. And I think it looks nice, right? All black, 500 horsepower, and manual transmission as well. So there you have it. This is an amazing car, Turbo S. Ooh, would like to own one of these. But Turbo S's you cannot buy them with manual transmission. It's only PDK. But when you have one of these, you cannot forget about manual transmission because of the power. This one is cheaper than that one. This one is $189,000, which makes it cheaper, and you are in a supercar level with a Turbo S. And we have this one. This is just a turbo, but it is a convertible. It looks kind of similar as the Spider over there, but you can notice something different. The Spider has this whole thin cover with the same trim color of the exterior. In the 911 turbo convertible, the top is exposure. See, exposure right here, because you know they have to make something different. That one looks way better than this one. That's the reason you pay extra money, because this one is way cheaper, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, this one is $181,000 compared to the $300,000 sticker price on that one, but you don't get a manual transmission, and that's, you know, a downside. So to have more Macans, because Porsche of Riverside is selling Macans like hotcakes, you know. A Panamera Turbo S. This is a beautiful car, super fast, super powerful, and hybrid. That's why you have that little blue stitching over the Panamera logo, because this one is an e-hybrid. And over here we have this. This is a brand new 992 911, which means this is the 2020 model. Let's check it out. Let's see what we have. here because this is one of the newest additions to Porsche family. We have a Carrera 4S. In addition of all-wheel drive, you get better 0 to 60 timing and all that. That's the reason why the Carrera 4S is better than the S. But that doesn't mean then the Carrera S is not good to have. Now, both of the Carrera, even just the Carrera, is enough. But yeah, we have pretty amazing inventory here. Outside, they don't only have new cars or pre-owned, they have actually some other cars as well over here. Corridor. Yes, outside over here they have more inventory. They don't only have new and certified pre-owned, they have actually used cars because they're part of the Walters family. That's the reason why they have access to hundreds and hundreds of used cars. It doesn't matter the brand and the model and the year. Over here we have more Porsches, but to prove that, we have over here a Maserati. There is a Maserati here because, you know, they're a dealer and they're always looking for business, and they're always gonna try to sell everything at very competitive prices. I don't know about Maserati, but let's look at more Porsches, I think. Basically, they have an endless inventory here. We can walk all over the place and we still want to find something new in their amazing inventory here, Porsche of Riverside. They have a classic one as well. This is a beauty. Carrera 2. It's a beautiful car. I like the classic design of Porsche. Amazing view from an amazing dealer. Porsche of Riverside. Many different Porsches to look. I don't know about you, but we can be here the whole day and spend the whole day here trying to look for the perfect Porsche, and I'm pretty sure we're never gonna find it because they just have a pretty amazing inventory.
That one's perfect.
So, if you are looking for a Porsche, make sure to come over here, Porsche of Riverside. Contact Sherman Sims. He's a very nice person and he is gonna give you the greatest deal possible in the area. I'm pretty sure. Just make sure to say my name, Francisco Amaya. Then you saw this and, you know, you're looking for the best deal possible, you know, as friends, family and everything. And I'm pretty sure he is gonna give you the best deal possible. If not, you can contact me directly and I'm gonna give him some call, and he has to do it. Because the point of Porsche is keep everything between family, and that's what we're doing here. We all are family. We are all Porsche family. So that's the way you gotta see it, and that's the way they see it as well. That's right, we gotta support our community, and we wanna help you as well to be able to get the best deal possible here in the amazing Porsche of Riverside. So if you like this video, make sure to give thumbs up to the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, that is very important. Follow me on Instagram. In the description below there will be the link for my Instagram profile as well as my cameraman here. And be sure to be ready to watch our next video. Thank you.